Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a friend request on WeChat. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have enabled notifications on your WeChat application, then anytime you get a friend request, you will receive a notification within your notification bar, which you can tap on to open it up, and you will see the Go Confirm button. You can simply tap on this button and this will accept the request that you have received to be friends with this user. Once you tap on this, tap on the Done button after setting up your preference, and now this user will become friends with you on WeChat right away. You can also open up the application and then tap on Contacts and tap on New Friends, which will show you the friend requests that you have received as well. You can simply tap on the Accept button and this will also accept the friend request from the user. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to accept a friend request on WeChat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.